everyone, welcome back to my channel, Talk Nova channel. In this video, we are going to talk about past perfect tense. What is past perfect tense? We used past perfect tense when we talk about two action happens in past, and we saw which action happened in past. So tell me the structure and the positive
Okay,
sentence.
so today I discuss the past perfect tense structure and example. So let's start. Subject plus had plus V3. This is the structure of past perfect tense. So let's start. I give a three example of past perfect tense. I reached school before the bell rang. The thief fled away before the police came. And the last one is the doctor came before the patient had died. This is the structure of past perfect tense.
And now I am going to say negative past perfect tense. So we put had subject plus had not plus verb ka third form. I had not finished my homework. She had not gone to school today. She had not eaten her breakfast. Is it correct or not?
This is a correct example of past perfect negative tense.
Okay, so let's discuss more example. He had completed his homework before going to bed. We watch the TV before never come. Okay, so bye bye. In this way, you will practice your past perfect tense and hope so this video will help you. And we are learners, so don't judge. Bye bye.